Come to our machine! Tovisen waiting for you to fight!
Hello guys, today we're gonna change the hydraulic cylinder to the V1000 Pro Max and change the hydraulic oil. Okay, so here is the toys. We need the wrench and Philly wrench, and this is 10 millimeters wrench. All right, let's go. Alright guys, okay, finished to add the hydraulic oil. The last step, we're gonna put them back. Quick plate.
Yes, very good! We have time!
Very good. Okay guys, gonna finish here. So today we changed the hydraulic cylinder and oil. So maybe next time, what do you want to see? You can tell us. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye!